So, how's school?
Go.
Hindi ka ba sasagot? Hindi ka talaga sasagot?
Dad?
Ano ba? Ganyan ba dapat sumagot ng lalaki? Hindi naman ganyan pagpapalaki ko sa'yo ah. Ha? Yan ba tinuturo ng barkada mo sa'yo? Ha? Ha?
Tama na. Kawawa mga bata.
Tumigil ka nga!
Yaya!
Yes po, sir.
Kunin mo nga yung bag niya.
Ito po, sir.
Tignan mo. Tignan mo to. Tignan mo.
Kuya, okay ka lang?
Okay lang ang kuya, huwag ka na mag-alala.
Kuya, ba't ginagawa ni Papa sa atin yon? Akala ko po ba mahal niya tayo?
Jessica.
Jessica, anak, pumasok ka na muna sa kwarto mo. May pasok ka pa bukas. Ako na bahala sa kuya mo.
Go.
Anak, pagpasasyan mo na ang mama, ha? Mahina kasi ang mama.
Ma, huwag na po kayo mag-alala. Kaya nga ako po yung panganay niyo eh.
Go. Kamay. Lalagay mo. Tapos habang nilalagay mo, papatingin ka dito. Go.
Look who's here. As expected, sa anak ng palpak na katulad mo. Oh, anong balak mong gawin? Mahina ka naman. Hoy! Bumalik ka rito.
Pasok.
Dahil sa'yo, nagkanda leche-leche tong pamilyang to. Wala kang kwenta. Lintik kang bata ka.
Stop. Ano, lalakad pa? Lakad?
If you're experiencing domestic violence, please know that you are not alone. It takes incredible strength to reach out, but your safety and well-being matter. Don't hesitate to tell the authorities about what's happening. There are people ready to listen, support, and protect you. You deserve to live free from fear, and there's help available to guide you through this difficult time. You are worthy of kindness, safety, and love. Reach out. You don't have to go through this alone. Domestic violence remains a significant concern in the Philippines. Despite legitimate efforts like Republic Act 9262, the Anti-Violence Act Against Women and Their Children Act of 2004, recent data indicates a decrease in reported cases, with approximately 7,760 incidents documented in 2023.
However, the Philippine Statistics Authority's National Demographic and Health Survey 2022 reveals that 17.5% of Filipino women aged 15 to 49 years old have experienced physical, sexual, or emotional violence from intimate partners. These statistics highlight the persistent nature of domestic violence in the country. The decrease in reported cases may be attributed to underreporting, as many victims remain silent due to fear, shame, or lack of trust in the justice system. To address this issue, the Philippine Commission on Women, or PCW, has allocated approximately 171 million Philippine pesos for its programs and projects in the 2024 fiscal year. Despite these efforts, the persistent prevalence of domestic violence underscores the need for continued advocacy, education, and support systems to empower victims and prevent abuse.